Take this out of my hands. Take this out of my hands. Take this out of my hands. It's out of my hands. That message, that song lyric keeps coming through for this collective right now. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Melissa Senkel. I channel messages for the collective, so if you found this might be for you right now. Before we dive into it, though, a lot of you have been messaging me to work with me in personal sessions. Right now, my calendar is currently closed. The best way to work with me would be to sign up for the Dove Tribe. We meet 2 times a month in a community space here online. We gather on video chat, and there's a whole portal for us to connect, and you can ask questions, communicate, share your stories with us. So I highly recommend checking out the Dove Tribe. This is the last week for the sale for the current price that it is at, and it's only $25. And also check out my Remember course that is only available until Friday the 13th, the day of the Dark Goddess. So go check out the Remember course. I've included so many juicy workshops in there for your spiritual awakening journey. So if you do wish to dive deeper, you can go check that out. All right, so if you made it this far, then this message is definitely for you. 444 is significant to this reading right now, as well as dragonflies. So if you've been seeing 444 and dragonflies, that is your confirmation for this message. Take this out of my hands. Take this out of my hands. Take this out of my hands. It's out of my hands. So I feel like you're moving through a period of time right now where it kind of feels heavy for you. Yeah, I have whole body chills. It feels heavy for you. I feel like you've just done a lot of self-healing work, inner alchemy, shadow work, and you're being called to integrate what you have learned. Yeah, dragonflies flying as I'm saying this. Okay. So you're being called to integrate what you've just learned, and it might feel a little bit heavy for you. Spirit wants you to know that you don't have to carry it alone. Call in your ancestors, call in your spirit guides, call in God, source, universe, that which goes by thousands of names but cannot be named, the source of all things. Call in divinity. Call in guidance and protection at this time. You are not alone. Your spirit guides want to help you. They want to help you through this. It's not yours to carry. It's not yours to carry. The weight, the pressure, it's not yours. You are doing a lot of healing work for your bloodline right now. Yeah. You are the way shower. You are the way shower. The change in the entire story of what has happened in your bloodline. You are the one that is making that difference. Dragonflies flying again. Here we go. So please know you're not alone at this time, and this weight is not yours to carry. I'm hearing the best thing for your integration right now is stillness, as well as time in nature. So what do we mean by stillness? Being with yourself, being with your soul, being with your spirit guides, God, getting into this stillness. That could look different for many people. Maybe it's walking in the park, with no distractions. It doesn't have to be just you sitting in meditation. It looks different for everybody. Maybe it does look like you sitting in meditation, lighting some candles and connecting in and calling in spirit. Maybe it looks like you walking around the park, being in nature. Maybe it's you making a nice, nourishing meal for yourself. But I'm just hearing stillness, no distractions, just you and your body. Ooh, yeah, okay, whole body chills. A big part of this integration right now for you is the very important, that's not the right word. It's very necessary for you to listen to the wisdom of your body. Thank you. So you might be tired right now. You might be feeling like this pressure on you, like a pressure cooker is what I'm being shown from spirit. It's like you're in a pressure cooker and you just learned so much through this deep introspection and healing and shadow work that you've been doing. And now it's like you're being put in the cooker to, this is the weirdest analogy I've ever done. Like in the pressure cooker, and then it's going to come out as a delicious meal. You have a whole new beginning in front of you. After everything that you've just learned, it's time to integrate it now and walk it confidently. You're going to be given opportunities that you are not expecting to come in. Okay, thank you. And I'm hearing seeds that you have planted are fertile. I just felt that move through my bones. Seeds that you have planted are fertile, and they're sprouting. They're sprouting. So this is a time to take care of your body, listen to your body, and listen to the higher guidance from divinity, from your own divinity, from your higher self, and from that power that which we all come from. This is a time of great change for you. This is a really important time of self-love. Self-love, stillness, and listening as you integrate everything that you have just learned. A great change is taking place for you. Opportunities you aren't expecting are coming in. The seeds that you have planted are fertile and they are sprouting. Trust yourself. Trust your body. Trust your connection to divinity. You are divinity. You have all of the answers you need inside of you on what to do next. Everything, the blueprint of your soul mission and your path is within. And if you're having a hard time listening, get into the stillness and take care of your body. And call in help. Your spirit guides want to help you. I'm just hearing, I just keep hearing deep trust. That's what I'm hearing, deep trust, deep transformation. Your life is never going to look the same after this. What you just went through, what you just experienced, what you just learned about your soul, about your body, and your human existence, it was like a puzzle piece has been put in. Another, like the puzzle piece that you've been looking for. Wow, the puzzle piece that you've been looking for has been given to you and it's in place now. So now you just have to hold yourself, hold it, listen, and let the masterpiece of your life unfold, is what I'm hearing. Wow. Is there anything else that this collective needs to hear right now? Because we love you so much. Because we love you so much, so much, so much. Because we love you so much. Forever with all of our hearts. Hey, anana, hey, anana, hey. Your ancestors are very proud of you. Keep going. You got this.